Hello from the Donnell family. So just heading out from work. It's about 1:45, Tuesday the 14th of April. Beautiful sunny day. You can see the hills in the distance if I go close. You can see there's snow in some of the mountains away over there in the distance. Like, see it? There's a slight coolness in the air, but it's warm. It's nice in the sun. Maybe about 12 degrees. I don't know. It's hard to say exactly. Just heading out to the cows with some carrot, some cut off ends and peelings. It's not a lot, but if it's left till we get more tomorrow, it'll go all dry and horrible, so it's a chance to do a nice video with the sun out as well. They haven't seen me coming yet. But they will. Here they are, waiting for me. But they don't know yet. Yeah, so some carrots and stuff. Not a lot, but something's better than nothing. I think they got the best sort of mixed diet out of all the Highland cows there is. Hold on. Hello there. Hiya. You okay? Only just saw me, haven't you? I don't have very much. Well, we'll head on over. Hello there, girls. I don't have very much today. You enjoying the sunshine, eh? Sure beats that cold, doesn't it? Eh? Hello, hello, hello. Not very much today, I'm afraid, girlies. So, oh gosh, a daisy. Yeah, barbed wire, man. Barbed wire fence off the elbow. I'm afraid to say that's about it. Okay, so yeah. Hey there, beautiful. Wow, it was 3 minutes already, this video. I went quick. So yeah. Just a little drop of carrot peelings and ends off the carrots. Hay bales are all done now. They had the last one last month. They won't get another one now till probably November anyway. Late November at least, yeah. And then December through till maybe first half of March. That's usually how they do it, I think. So there's water between here and that mountains. Just over the top of these bushes and trees there. About maybe how far over would it be? A mile towards the water, maybe? Yes? Yes. Darling. No, there's not a lot, I'm afraid, no. Very, very small amount today. Don't shoot the messenger. Oh, lovely cows. Very friendly. Yes. Okay, so there's your mountains with the snowy woolly. And I'm away back here. So that mountains must be a few miles away, like a good few miles. At least 12 maybe. It's difficult to say, but it must be at least 3 miles to the other side of that water from here. And then that snowy mountains looks like it's just after that, but there's ones before it. Yeah, it'd be a good 10-12 miles that mountain, I reckon. Lovely. Okay, I'm going to say ta-ta for now. Ta-ta. Yeah. Yes. Oh no.